Thanks for purchasing the GhostBed Massage. In this video, we'll walk through how to set up your new mattress and start enjoying a nice, relaxing massage. If you ordered a twin, XL, or queen size mattress, everything you need will arrive in one large box. The split king size will arrive in 2 large boxes, as it's technically 2 mattresses. For king and California king sizes, the mattress will be in one box, with the components in a smaller, separate box. Locate your mattress first. Go ahead and pull it out and place it on top of your foundation or base. Carefully cut the outer layer of plastic and unroll. Next, carefully cut open the vacuum-sealed wrap and remove. Your mattress will begin expanding instantly. Now, let's check out the additional components. There will be one for each side of the bed. Here are the things to look for: the control box, extender hose, power cords, the remotes, USB-C power cords, locate the flaps at the head of the mattress. Lift each flap to locate the air tubes and gently pull them out. If you don't see them right away, you may need to reach in a bit further inside the mattress to find them. Then, grab your extender hoses. Carefully connect one end to the air tubes, lining up the arrows for a proper connection. Carefully connect the other end of the extender hose to the control box, again lining up the arrows for a proper connection. Now, use your power cord to plug the control box into an outlet. Grab your remote and press the power button. It will light up to indicate it has connected. In rare cases, your remote may need to be repaired with the control box. If your remote is flashing or otherwise not working, follow these steps to pair it again. First, press the home button to go to the main menu. Scroll down and select Settings, and then scroll down and select Bluetooth. Now, select the network code that is marked on the bottom of your control box to pair your remote. You should be all set after that. Repeat these steps to connect and set up your second control box. Skip this step if you have a single twin XL. And that's it! Tuck your control boxes under your bed so they're out of the way. Once your mattress has fully decompressed, it's time to try out a massage. You can check out our other tutorial videos to learn more about the different settings and programs. Each massage program has an auto shut-off for your convenience. If you'd like to stop the massage mid-program, simply hold down the power button for 2 seconds. You'll hear it beep, and it will begin deflating. Keep in mind that the air cells will not deflate if you have your remote plugged in. You can get off the bed whenever you feel comfortable. You'll notice the control box light will stay on. When it's time to charge your remote, simply plug it into a USB-C adapter. There's one right on your control box that you can use if you'd like. So, there you have it. We hope you enjoy your GhostBed Massage Mattress. Let us know if you have any questions.